Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to install the Unify Desktop extension and connect it with your QuickBooks Desktop company file. Here are a few things to take into consideration before we start. The Unify Desktop extension solidifies the connection between the QuickBooks Desktop company file and Unify. It facilitates the data download between Unify and the data in QuickBooks, so you can configure the settings for creating transactions in QuickBooks, item creation, and mapping, as well as synchronize price and quantity. The Unify Desktop extension should be installed on the user machine where they intend to use Unify day-to-day. This computer should also be able to access the QuickBooks Desktop company file daily. Although the Unify Desktop extension can work via automation, it must be activated and running to facilitate any manual or automatic posting of orders to QuickBooks, or when data in the QuickBooks company file has changed and needs to be downloaded in various areas of the product. Let's begin the Unify Desktop extension installation process. For this process, you should be on the computer that has access to the QuickBooks Desktop company file and will be using Unify day-to-day. First, log into your Webgility customer account and go to the Downloads area. Click on the link to download the Unify Desktop extension. After the download is complete, click on the downloaded file and run the installer. When the installation process is completed, you'll be prompted to log in. You should stop when you get to this step. Do not proceed to log in to the Unify Desktop extension at this time. Instead, you should log into Unify and start the onboarding flow for adding a sales channel to Unify. After you connect your sales channel, you'll be prompted to connect your QuickBooks Desktop company file. Now open your currently installed Unify Desktop extension and log in using your Unify login and password. This will authenticate the Unify Desktop extension to your computer and to your subscription. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the company file location. The QuickBooks company file should be logged in as the admin user and open with no modal boxes open. So close any boxes that pop up as the QuickBooks Desktop company file is opening. When logged into QuickBooks, press the F2 key to see the location of your company file. Copy this by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C. Then close the company file pop-up info. Then, in the Unify Desktop extension, paste the location of the file into the company file location field. Unify will authenticate your company file connection and open a connection certificate. Select Yes, always allow access even if QuickBooks is not running. Select Allow this application to access data. And if you have additional QuickBooks users, you should select the admin user in this authentication process in the dropdown. Click on Continue and Done. You will see a successful pop-up displayed. Pop back into Unify and refresh the page. Unify will now see that it has been successfully connected to the QuickBooks Desktop company file through the Unify Desktop extension. You'll be taken to the page to begin setting up the initial configurations for the sales channel you just added. Let's review some technical instructions about how to use the Unify Desktop extension day-to-day. At the beginning of your day, first open your QuickBooks company file, then open the Unify Desktop extension. This will allow any automation that is scheduled to run for the previous day to post into QuickBooks. The Unify Desktop extension will operate normally and is accessible within the system tray of your computer. Right-click on the Unify Desktop extension to open the functionality menu. If you're trying to post orders to QuickBooks in real time, right-click on the Unify Desktop extension in the system tray and select the Manual Sync Now function. Please review our other videos in this educational module to learn how to utilize the Unify Desktop extension and best practices for usage day to day. Thank you for watching.